Hello Tony, thank you for giving me the opportunity for this interview prior to your show. Hello everybody, I am Frank Whittleworth, resident poet at Coggrell's Mill, Mucklesbury. I am delighted to have this opportunity to tell you about the work we're doing there. We have wonderful sculptors, painters, photographers, all gathered together by the kind permission of the owners, the gorgeous Victoria Glow and that stout fellow George Coggrell. You should taste his cider. Absolute nectar. The talent on show is abundant, and I strongly recommend that you partake in its delights. It's all set out by that author fellow, Jack Lindsay, in his wonderful book, Coggrell's Mill. Allow me to read a short passage to you, and you will understand what I mean. Aunt Jane opened wide the throttle of her 750 Triumph Bonneville motorcycle, and the great machine accelerated out of the corner and over the brow of Mucklesbury Hill. It plunged down the hill at breakneck speed, with Aunt Jane braking fiercely at the bottom and leading hard over to the left so that the motorcycle swung into the drive of Gleefield Manor, narrowly missing the hedge on the opposite side of the road and the edge of the cliff above Mucklesbury Quarry. Now that piece, at the beginning of chapter 2, grasps the essence of the literary style. The maiden aunt, grappling to control the thrusting machine between her thighs as she defies the dangers of speed and gravity. Powerful stuff. Sadly, only a small portion of my work appears between these pages. However, I'd like to read a longer piece to you now, which I think sums up the beauty of the mill and the dramatic vista of its surroundings. I wandered slowly in a wood. I wandered slowly in a wood, along earthen paths where apple trees stood, through shady glades past broken branches. A happy sun smiled through leaves on high, an occasional bird or insect flew by. A sparkling sound tinkled in my ear, when out of the wood there did appear a stream, no a river, bright and clear, which meandered past banks of grass until it came to a building so fine, not vast, with a water wheel at its side. Long still was the magnificence of Coggrell's Mill. Is that okay? Thank you.